Hello students, today I explain you the topic of physiology. Students, physiology means how the organs and system within our body works and how they communicate and how they combine their efforts to make condition favorable for survive with nature. The major points which we cover in human physiology are circulatory system. In circulatory system, we studies including the heart, the blood vessels, properties of the blood, and how circulation works in sickness and healthy body time. Next, we studies our respiration system. Respiratory system consisting of nasal cavity, pharynx, lungs, trachea. This system brings in oxygen and expels carbon dioxide and water. Third, we are study about our digestive system. In this system, we include the movement of food from our mouth to the anus. About liver and pancreas and how conversion of food into fuel and its final exit from our body. Next is our endocrine system. The study of endocrine hormones that carry signals throughout the organism, helping it to respond in concert. Students, the principal endocrine glands are the pituitary gland, thyroid, adrenals, pancreas, parathyroid, and gonads. These are the major focus, but nearly all organs release endocrine hormones. Next and very important point is our immune system. The body natural defense system is comprised of white blood cells, the thymus, the lymph system, a complex array of receptors and molecules combine to protect the host from attacks of pathogens. Molecules such as antibodies and cytokines features heavily. With these features, immune system also becomes very important. Next important point is our skeletal system. The skeleton and muscles, tendons, ligaments and cartilage. Bone marrow, where red blood cells are made, and how bones store calcium and phosphate are included in this topic. Next topic is nervous system. The central nervous system, brain and the spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system. Study of nervous system includes research into the senses, memories, emotions, movement and thoughts. Next important topic is excretory system or urinary system. In this system, we including our kidneys, ureters, bladder and urethra. This system removes water from the blood, produces urine and carries away waste. Next important topic is our reproductive system. Our reproductive system consisting of the gonads and the sex organs. Study of this system also include investigating the way of fetus is created and nurtured for 9 months. Students, hope you understand well with this diagram. The study of physiology is very wide. These are the major points which we covered in our video. But this is only a very minor stones in the big oceans. The study is very wide and very big area of human physiology. Hope you understand well my point. Thank you.